Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I'm going to be showing you my empties. Now, in the past, I have not done these videos super often because I feel like it just gets away from me, and then all of a sudden I have like this giant pile of empties, and these videos tend to take a long time. So I'm trying to stay on top of it more. So, I think the last one I did was like maybe a month and a half ago or so. So I thought now would be a great time to show you my trash again. So let's just jump right in. I'm gonna start off with 3 dry shampoos. Now they're all kind of the same. They're all from EMPTIES. I have 2 travel ones. These are the original dry shampoos. I like this stuff. I usually use the Lush No Drought dry shampoo. I think that's what it's called. It's like a powder dry shampoo, which I love, but occasionally I feel like it just doesn't do enough like shampooing. Like it doesn't do enough refreshing that I need, and so sometimes I will go to these. So I have bought these for travel for that reason. So I have the 2 travel size of these, but then I also have a large one of the blush scent. And this is my favorite scent, but again, right now I'm just using the Lush one because I like it and I need to use it. And I kind of go back and forth on like my thoughts on like aerosol containers, and so I'm trying to use the Lush one now. And then again, I have another 2 products that are essentially the same. It's from Burt's Bees, and it's the Natural Acne Solutions Targeted Spot Treatment. So the first one's in this little like essential oil type bottle, and this is kind of annoying because I either have to take like a Q-tip or a cotton swab and like soak that first and then apply it to my face. The other one is called the Herbal Complexion Stick. But I looked at the ingredients on both of these and they're like exactly the same, so I don't understand it. I don't know what the difference is, except for this one's in a little roller ball, which makes it much easier to apply. But some people might not like that because it's like a complexion stick and it's supposed to help with acne, and you're essentially rolling your dirt all over your face. I don't know. I liked this one better because it was just easier to use, and I felt like I was actually getting to use the product. I wasn't just like soaking a Q-tip or a cotton swab with it. I have 1 mask. Well, it's a duo. This is from Bella, which they sell at Target. I got this for Christmas. One side is this like detoxifying cranberry peel, and then this other side was a Radiance Boost Shimmering Cream Mask. So I used this one a while ago and I do remember liking it. I just like a good like peel mask. It's just so satisfying to like apply it to your face and then just peel it off. I remember using those in like junior high, and so I love them. The other side is the Radiance one, which I actually just used last night. I've been doing some different things with my skincare lately, and so my skin has been a little dry. I've been getting like a lot of dry patches kind of around my chin area where I typically get my acne. I was hoping this might help because it said it was supposed to help with moisture and like radiance, and I feel like it didn't. It just like added a shimmer to my face, and that's annoying. So I won't be repurchasing this. It was just kind of gimmicky. Ooh, I have my favorite eye primer ever. It's from Wet n Wild. It's the Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer. This is like my go-to eye primer. I've used this for literally years. It used to be a part of the Fergie collection back when like Fergie had a line with Wet n Wild. It was like the center stage eyeshadow primer or something, and I loved it. And then they got rid of the Fergie line, and I was very worried that they were no longer gonna have this eyeshadow primer because I had purchased like 3 at that point. But they did. They made it part of their like permanent collection with the Photo Focus line. So I love this stuff. I have another one and I use it every single day, pretty much. I mean, occasionally I would use something else, but nothing ever lasts as long as this. And the other eye product is from Tarte. It's the Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. This was from a BoxyCharm, I believe in November or December, and I actually really liked this mascara. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I ended up really enjoying it. So it kind of has this like plasticky bristle brush, and it's really bulky, which isn't usually my favorite kind of brush to use. I typically like a natural fiber brush where you can like I feel like it just gives you more volume, but this was really nice. I wouldn't say it like really built up the volume, but it lengthened and it like did add volume, but it was easy to apply, so I really enjoyed this. It surprised me. I have an eye makeup remover. Usually I have an Up and Up eye makeup remover in my empties, but I don't this time because I got this one for Christmas. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off eye makeup remover, and I did like this, but now that I'm using my Up and Up one, it works better. And I don't know how much the Clinique one costs. I'm guessing a lot more than the Target brand, so I would recommend the Target one. It works better, it's a better deal. This is a cute bottle, I guess, but Target one's better. I have one nail product. It's from Sensational. It's the gel cleanser. I typically have gel nails on my nails. I don't right now. I'm kind of giving them a break. But this is what I use to like cleanse my nails when I'm doing it, and I go through this pretty frequently, so I occasionally have these in my empties. I love gel nails, and I think the Sensational line is pretty great. I have a little sponge from Eco Tools. My mom got these for me and my sisters for Christmas this year. They were like in our stockings. This is pretty terrible. I don't understand why it's on a little post thing. It makes it harder to use and you can't clean it. Like it's weird. I'm gonna try taking it apart. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, look, there's just like so much sponge down there that whenever you clean it, I feel like it was just not cleaning anything. Like this would have been better on its own, a little baby beauty sponge. But it was okay. Like once you got it wet, it was alright. But again, the handle was just like really obnoxious to use and wasn't helpful. I have a few Lush things. The first one is the deodorant I use. It's the Governor. This is the deodorant powder. It has like charcoal and what else does it have in here? Lavender, sage, patchouli. It's a really great natural deodorant if you're looking for one. They also have like a bar one, or like they chop off a piece of this bar, and that one's pretty good as well, but it smells way more like patchouli than this does. So if you don't like patchouli, I'd go for this one. But I really like this. I already have it again. It's in my bathroom. I use it pretty much every day. I feel like it does help with like smell. Like you don't smell dirty, but you will sweat. So if you're not used to natural deodorants, it might take you a little while to get used to it, but I really enjoy it. This is just a little bag, but this had the peppermint salt scrub. It was like a little brick, one of their Naked products, and I got this for Christmas from Greg. I can still kind of smell it on the bag. I really liked it. It kind of had like a little bit of like a warming. Whenever you used it and you kind of like scrubbed it on your skin, you could like feel it. And so if you didn't wash it off really soon, you could still like feel it for a while. It was interesting, but I really liked it. I feel like it really helped exfoliate my skin, and it was nice. It smelled really good. It was very like Christmassy. I don't know if it was a limited edition thing because it was peppermint. It might have been, but I really liked it. I also have a little sample. This is the Fairly Traded Honey Shampoo. I got this a while ago. I was kind of looking for shampoo options at Lush. Now I do have a shampoo bar and conditioner bar that I really enjoy, but when my hair is pink, I can't use them because it just strips the color right out of my hair. So I am using it right now because the pink is all gone, and so I really enjoy it, but I was looking for something that I could use when my hair is pink. And so one of the ladies had suggested the Fairly Traded Honey, and it did work really nice. It was still more harsh than like other shampoos that I use in my hair, like Redken or like my Surface Pink shampoo. Obviously that adds color to my hair, but this was really nice. It smells so good. I think once I run out of my bar, I'd be tempted to buy this. I do really like the bar I'm using now. It's the Honey I Washed the Kids or something. Honey I Washed My Hair. It's like a honey soap bar, but it's really nice as well. But this one is like the #1 ingredient, and it is honey, which is really cool. So I did like it. I felt like it made my hair really soft too. The last thing from Lush is Let the Good Times Roll, and it's a facial and body scrub. I just use it on my face, or I guess it's a face and body cleanser, not just a scrub. I used it on my face. It's a very gentle scrub, and I feel like it's pretty moisturizing. I've had this over and over for like years. It's one of my favorite Lush products. The last time I went to repurchase this though, I ended up buying the Dark Angels scrub because my face had been pretty oily and we're like in summer. That helps a little bit more as opposed to this, which is really moisturizing. But now that I've been like changing on my skincare, I feel like I do need something more moisturizing. So I'm kind of in between things right now. But I love this stuff. I will purchase this definitely again. It's so good. And then my last empty is like a DIY from my mom. It's a face moisturizer. She had made it just with like this really basic facial moisturizer, and then she added a bunch of essential oils to it. So she had added like blue tansy, frankincense, copaiba, and tea tree oil, I believe. And that blend helps with a lot of things. It helps with scarring, it helps with like acne and like oil production. There's just lots of benefits to it, and I loved this moisturizer. I guess I actually made this whenever I was home for Christmas, but my mom had like started it. She made it for herself and was like freaking out about it, and so me and my sisters made them too, and I love it. She made me another one for my birthday. It's in my bathroom now. I use it at night, and it really helps with like acne and scarring and helping with oil, and so I love it. It's so good. I hope I will be able to keep it for a long time. So those were all my empties for today. Again, like I said, I'd like to stay on top of this a little bit more so we're not like making this like an hour-long video every time I go to get rid of my empties. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and until next time, bye guys!